I want to show you how to get a directional bias of any market at all. The direction of any market on this planet. That is exactly what I'll show you in this video. All right, that is exactly what I'll show you. I don't care what anybody thought what you ever learned from anybody. If you don't understand how to get the direction of any market, you would rake in a lot of losses than profit. You can never be profitable. Quote me any day, anytime, anywhere. I will tell you for free. You can never be profitable without knowing the direction of any market or the market you want to trade without knowing. All right. Now, the only way, the way to know any direction of any market, it's top-down analysis. So if you don't know what top-down analysis is, you would have a problem. All right. So real quick, from the monthly time frame, I have already cited that this market has broken above this level. Now that it has broken above this level, what is the next I'm expecting? I'm expecting a pullback to test that level, which is exactly what it did here on the monthly. Okay. Now on the weekly time frame, it has broken above it, tested it. What is the next thing I'm expecting? I am expecting bullish run. I don't know if you're also expecting bullish run, but me, I'm expecting a bullish one. Why am I expecting a bullish one? It's simple. After a after we get a higher high, the next thing we get is a higher low. The next thing automatically, I'm not predicting this thing. I know that after a higher low, the next thing is a higher high. For this market to be an uptrend, we have to see another higher high. After another higher high, we need to see what higher low. This is just simple mathematics. Just move like this again, higher high. So it's a no-brainer. It's very simple. Like I'm telling you, like it's, oh my god, it is very simple. You don't need nothing. Just understanding that theory again, you know that this market should be buying. Right? Now go to the daily time frame. What are we seeing right here? We're already seeing signs that it wants to buy. Now remember, signs are not enough reasons for you to start buying. You will need to get confirmations before you enter. So entry videos, I'm going to be dropping another video showing you about entries, how to enter the market in a very sweet way. All right. So directions is this now. I've already seen this. Okay, I know that I would buy. I already have directional bias. Okay, I want to be buying the market. So what do I need to do? I need to go look for the structures. Now, let me show you something about structure. I've already thought about market structure, but I like making my videos comprehensive so that even the least dummy will understand it. Right? Look at this. Even if it's something like this, the market is still bullish. Something like this. I have another video coming to show you advanced market structure. This here is still bullish because why? This low has not been taken out. All right. So all these things you're seeing here, all these things are noise. Okay. These things you're seeing here, all these things are noise. Until this level is taken out, I'll be looking for bullish opportunity. So if it makes this, I will buy. I will look for buy here. If it makes this, I will look for buy here. I won't sell because you're going. That would be a counter trend trade. You're going against the already trend, the established trend already. Like you're forcing it. Like you're very rich. Like you're a billionaire to change that market direction. Like you're part of the people controlling this market. We are not part of people controlling this market, guys. Listen, I want you to get this picture. Get it clear in your head. We are not part of the people controlling this market. We don't move nothing. Your resistance level don't mean anything to them. All they do is they look at key levels and place their orders. So you have a little advantage, which is looking at what they do and following them, right? This is very simple. Okay, so I would just show you, continue what I'm saying. Now that I've been able to know that structure, let me just start from here to just let you know that, hey, it is very simple. Now, I want to look for the structures to trade. The market did this. You see, it made the lower high. It made a lower low. So the next thing is lower high. So you look for sales right about this level. Now the market again did this. After making that lower low, it made a lower high. So all of you that are going against the market trend last week, I'm using Euro USD for this example. You see that all of these things you guys were just looking for buys here. You are stressing yourself. You were just going against the overall trend where the market is telling you, hey, I want to start selling. Just follow. This thing you see here, this is a fake out. It went there. You see that this market is just like this. Pop, sold, sold. Now came here, made another lower low, another lower high. Okay, it made another lower low, another lower high. Right? It made another. It wanted to make another lower low. Instead, it made a what? A double bottom. Now you see that the sellers are not able to break down this level. So if sellers couldn't break below this level, what am I expecting next? I'm expecting this guy to make a higher high. So he made a higher high. Beautiful. Look at this small higher low that came back to touch level. So last week I was looking for sells here before it passed my trading hour. I was looking for buys here. I was looking for buys here. I was looking for a clean buy here. It passed my trading hour, so I just left it and go do something else. There was a buy at this level here. I was looking for it. I know that I was supposed to capture the buy, but honestly speaking, I couldn't. Right? I couldn't because I went to do something else, and I couldn't even hold it. Even if I've taken this trade, I won't even hold it to the next day. I don't swing trades though. Before I swing the trade, I want to see clearly what the market is doing. Okay, like this would have given me wants to trade this morning, but this is it. I would have ended up with a breaking even trade because I would have broken even, or maybe target 1:1. I mean, the day was already, that was like Friday. It was already late. So targeting 1:1 is not a bad idea for the day. I just take that one. But minimum, I normally target 1:2 minimum. Okay, to stay constantly profitable. Target 1:2 minimum. Okay. So that was just how it is. This pullback here was supposed to give me a bullish run, was supposed to give me a buy. You get it now. Then the next thing was after making this lower after making this higher high, made a lower high and made a higher high. Now it's coming back into this level, directional bias. This is the direction I'm looking at. Just like this. You follow this simple and straight to the point. You are capturing every fucking damn thing the market is doing. You know, like the market is not going to take you unawares. You know, you understand. That is the power of pure price action. Now, everything I've taught here, I didn't tell you. Use any indicator, use moving averages. All those things will never work. Let me tell you. Okay. Let me just make it very clear now. Moving averages, crossovers, all those things don't work. Wait to me anywhere. Your moving average crossover will never work. Looking at the market with your eye like this, spotting out the higher highs and the higher lows, the lower highs and the lower lows is the simplest way to become profitable because now you're clearly seeing the bullish run, you're clearly seeing the direction of the market. No complicated things needed. All right. If the market changes, you change. If the market says let's buy, you buy. So don't force it. All right. Do not force it. Just looking at the market, you just know what the market wants to do. All right. Just spotting this thing out. Okay. So if you know what, if you're coming to this channel for the first time, this is where you will learn pure price action. Pure price action. No indicators needed. Nothing. Just pure price action because I am the king of pure price action. I've checked it out. No, but every other person trades with one thing or the other. They add either the RSI or they add moving averages, all the things. I just look at the chart like this, plot my levels, and I trade it profitably. Peace of mind is golden. I don't trade with fear because now I know the flow of the market. I know the direction. So that way, it is very fantastic for me. And I want to teach you how to trade this thing. I really want to teach you how to trade with pure price action and make lots of money with it. Okay. I want to teach you how to do it. So all you need to do to be part of the Oracle is just subscribing. If you subscribe now, you will see this video next. You will see my next video. Okay, so that is going to help you master the act of trading and you trade profitably. Okay, now that is all for this video. Remember to also invite people, invite your friends, struggling traders. This is the reason I created this channel, to help you guys, to help the struggling traders. Okay, so invite them here. Let me do the teaching. Okay, let me teach them. Let me pass this 6 years skill to them. All right, so that is all for this video. See you on the next one.